Mississippi Export Railroad's American Project is a safety-focused infrastructure investment that will provide critical track, yard, and bridge improvements along a 10.4-mile segment of the Mississippi Export Railroad. The project directly advances safety objectives of the Federal Railroad Administration's CRISI program by reducing operational risk, improving infrastructure reliability, and strengthening the resiliency of a vital Gulf Coast freight corridor. This video will show the project locations and scope of work. Beginning at the north end of the project, we will raise the track up to 8 inches through our yard at Carter Road. We will then fly south over our Class 3 mainline track that has a maximum authorized speed of 30 miles per hour and slow down as we approach our yard limits, which are restricted to 10 miles per hour and begin at milepost 13.5 and extend through the rest of our project area. Nutbank Road begins our grade crossing upgrades and will receive a rail and surface upgrade. This is also the beginning of our CWR upgrade, replacing small jointed rail with 46,400 feet of 136-pound welded rail. All 15 turnouts in the project limits will be upgraded. Once the American project is complete, the track speed will be doubled to 20 miles per hour from Nutbank Road to our swing bridge, approximately 8 miles to the south. Helena Industrial Park Road has passive crossing protection, which is crossbucks only and will be upgraded to an active warning system with gates and flashers. Saracena Road North already has gates and flashers and will receive a rail and surface upgrade. All public crossings will be upgraded to gates and flashers, if not already installed, to accommodate the track speed increase. The next crossing, Saracena Road South, has flashers only right now and will be upgraded with gates and will get a rail and surface upgrade. Coda Road will be upgraded with gates, rail, and surface. We have 3 consecutive private crossings that will receive rail and surface upgrades. This area will also be undercut, removing substandard ballast and filled with AREMA-compliant number 4 ballast to support heavier tonnage and the track speed increase. Kings Road will be upgraded to an active warning system with gates and flashers. This also begins our siding track construction area. 2 turnouts will be installed for the 2 8,500-foot siding tracks that will be constructed along the main line. These sidings will allow MSC to hold 2 135-car unit trains, which are critical to meeting future service demands and will prevent long delays at more than 20 road crossings through Moss Point and Pascagoula. This site was selected because it is the only area on the south end of MSC without road crossings over long enough distance to support the length of track needed to hold unit trains. The 2 turnouts on the south end of the siding tracks will tie back into the main line just before we reach the Interstate 10 overpass. On the south end of MSC's North Yard, we get to Elder Ferry Road, which will be upgraded with gates, rail, and surface. Now we reach MSC's most critical asset, the Escatawba River Swing Bridge. This 421-foot swing span bridge was built in 1905 to carry train traffic over the primary navigable waterway in the region, the Escatawba River. Currently, the swing bridge is operated by the train crew after they must dismount the train and operate the bridge from a control box on the bridge. The American project will modernize the 121-year-old bridge by replacing the entire mechanical drive system, fully automating the bridge, and making structural repairs above and below water. The upgrades will improve operational safety and reliability for train crews, freight rail movement, and commercial and recreational marine traffic on the Escatawpa River. Lastly, major flood mitigation work will take place to help prevent mainline track flooding. This section regularly sees water levels rise above the track surface during high tide and storm events. The track will be raised approximately 8 inches through this area. This concludes the scope of work for the Mississippi Export Railroad American Project. Thank you for watching.